Hey everyone, welcome to Howard's How-Tos, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cluely AI. Let's dive right in. First, you need to download and install Cluely AI on your computer. First, let's open our browser and go to cluely.com. Once you're on the website, click Get for Windows to start the download. When the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the setup instructions to install Cluely AI on your device. After installation, launch the app. When it opens, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can start new projects or access your saved work. To create a new project, click New Project, name it, and select a template that fits your needs best. And that's it. Your basic Cluely AI setup is ready to go. This has been Howard's How-Tos, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one.